Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Shopify store to sell products online, follow these step-by-step instructions to launch your e-commerce business successfully. Step 1. Visit shopify.com and click Start Free Trial to begin. Enter your email address and create a password for your account. Step 2. Answer the setup questions about your business, including what you'll sell, whether you have inventory, and your business name. Step 3. Choose a unique store name and customize your Shopify URL. This will be your store's web address until you connect a custom domain. Step 4. Select a professional theme from Shopify's theme store. Browse free and paid options, then click Add and Customize to personalize it. Step 5. Add your products by going to Products in your dashboard. Upload high-quality images, write detailed descriptions, set prices, and manage inventory. Step 6. Set up payment gateways by going to Settings and then Payments. Enable Shopify payments or connect third-party processors like PayPal or Stripe. Step 7. Configure shipping settings including rates, zones, and carrier options. Decide whether to offer free shipping, flat rates, or calculated rates. Step 8. Launch your store by removing the password protection, connecting a custom domain, and testing the checkout process before promoting to customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.